If that water's more than 2 degrees, I'd be surprised. Oh, how am I going to go fishing?
There's traps all over McDonald's.
Oh, there's so many fish.
Caught myself a little freshwater crab. Whoa, check this out. I'm standing in the middle of the Herbert River on the Atherton Tablelands. It is absolutely freezing. We're staying out here a couple of nights. I'm going to send you back to yesterday when we did a few things around camp and arrived. Then you're going to come back and see which one of us braves this icy cold, possibly croc-infested waters and goes for an ice bath. Stay tuned for this one, guys. She's going to be an epic day.
I wouldn't like that.
See you in the morning, peeps.
The handbrake's cooked up, Macca's in the bush. Bacon and egg muffins to kick off the day.
Yum.
There's traps all over McDonald's. There is guinea fowl. See those black things right there? Those are guinea fowl. We're going to see how close we can get. My dad said we're going to see how close we can get to the guinea fowl. They're right there. They're not running away from me.
Alright, I've drawn the short straw. I've got to go in, taking the ice plunge. I cannot see what's under this water. Fingers crossed there's no rocks, but I'm more worried about those rocks that snap back. Count me down, people.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
If that water's more than 2 degrees, I'd be surprised. Oh, how am I going to go fishing? Alright, now it's time to have some fun. I think the kids are going to play on the bank, and I am going to work on getting incredibly frustrated at not catching a fish. World's worst fisherman in action now. Cast number 2.
Guys, this is how you climb a tree that looks like this. 3, 2, 1.
Switch back to the egg beater because I am shocking at the bait caster rod. Let's see if this improves our chances. Two more casts, then we're changing spots. Well, surprise, surprise, haven't caught a fish. Nothing new there. Killed a couple hours though. Time to head back, have a brewski, and check out the river at camp.
What you got?
Caught myself a little freshwater crab. Dry as a nun's biscuit, buried in the mud down here when the water runs out of the dam. When it rains again, he'll come back out.
Freshwater crab, eh?
Peyton and I are just out exploring the wild river at the back of the campground. I've got a little boo-boo running up the side of my head, run into a tree. If it wasn't so bloody cold and we're in the middle of winter, this would be a good little swimming spot.
If this wasn't so cold, this would be perfect for swimming.
Guys my age laugh at my jokes, treat me like one of the bros. Think I'm cool but they would never date me. 'Cause girls my age have tiny waists, skin tight tan and baby faces, dance at the bar like no one's watching. But I'm just a flower on the wall, not someone you'd ever fall for. But in a couple years, you look at me.
Archer View Station we booked on Hipcamp. I think we paid $50 a night for the 4 of us out here. It included flushing to, toilets and hot showers, which was nice. A nice big green grassy site and access to the river. In at Hot Springs was about a 20-minute drive from here. The girls got to have a bit of a swim in there, which was great.
If you come here, make sure you have a good time.
Whoa! Was that as fun for you as it was for us? That was a jam-packed 2 days. Just goes to show you don't need too much time to have fun out here on the Atherton Tablelands. But for now, that's a wrap from us. Until you see us again, get out and create your own adventure.
Come on. Hello. You're a bit wild. Are you wild?
Bye-bye. Sheets.
The missus is out. Missus. Alright, I've joined the straw. Joined the daughter. I'm nervous. Alright, I've joined the...
He's nervous.
Just buried in the...
This thing's in the way. Cut that out, Andy. At Archer booked on Hipcamp by the lovely owners. No, wow, that's it. And scene.
Some fun out here on the Atherton Tablelands. But that'll be a wrap. Fuck it, you're not even... I can see the dashboard in it. Hold it back.
See ya.
Okay, do it without me talking in the background.
Wow! Was that a good weekend for you? Because it was great for us.